In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download from YouTube Music Premium. We will walk through the process on your phone so you can listen even when you are completely offline. Start by opening the YouTube Music app on your iPhone or Android. When it opens, you should see the Home tab with rows of recommended songs, albums, and mixes. If the app lands on another tab like Explore or Library, that is fine. Any of those means you are in the right place to begin. Now sign in to the Google account that has YouTube Music Premium. Look in the top right corner for the profile picture circle. If you see the correct account already there, you are ready to move on. If not, switch to the account that has the active premium subscription because downloads only work on that specific account. With that ready, find the song, album, or playlist you want. You can use the search bar at the top and type the artist or track name. As you type, suggestions appear under the search box so you can quickly tap the exact item you need. You can also browse from the Home or Library tabs if you are not sure what to search for yet. Once you see the song, album, or playlist on screen, tap the More button, shown as 3 vertical dots next to the title. On a song, those dots are usually to the right of the track name. On an album or playlist, you will see them near the top, close to the title or cover art. Tapping this opens a small menu from the bottom of the screen. From that menu, select Download. The word Download will appear with a small icon, and as soon as you tap it, YouTube Music adds that item to your download queue. For albums and playlists, you do not need to tap each track. The entire collection is queued at once, which saves a lot of time. After that, wait for the download to finish. A progress indicator appears, often as a circular icon that slowly fills around the cover art. On slower connections, large playlists can take several minutes, so keeping the app open helps you see the progress clearly. When the circle becomes solid or the icon changes, the download is complete and ready to play offline. Next up, to find your downloads, tap your profile picture, then choose Downloads from the menu. The download screen shows everything saved for offline playback, grouped by songs, albums, and playlists. Anything listed here is available even in airplane mode, and you can tap any item to start playing it without using mobile data. Important to know, these are offline downloads inside the YouTube Music app. They are not regular MP3 files that you can copy to a USB drive or play in another music player. YouTube stores downloaded content in an encrypted format that only the app can read, so the music stays linked to your account and subscription. You have now downloaded music in YouTube Music Premium and know exactly where to play it offline whenever you need it. If this helped you get your offline music set up, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more guides like this.